Hi everyone. So today I am with one of our CAT toppers this year, Palak Mangal, and she's received calls from several IIMs this year. तो अभी इस वीडियो में हम इससे पलक की जर्नी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे एंड शील ऑल्सो ट्राई टू गिव यू सम टिप्स जो आप लोग को काम आ सकता है जब भी आप कैट का एग्जाम दोगे. तो कौन से IIM से पलक आपको कॉल आया अभी?
Okay, first of all, thank you so much, sir, for inviting me for this podcast. I'm getting calls from I'm Indore, I'm Koikor, I'm Udaipur, from CAP, JAP, and rest of the IIMs as it follows. I've been also called for interview from IIM Shillong itself.
Okay,
Also
great.
expecting from Mumbai also, and with respect to the private colleges, I've also applied for MDI, so I'm getting call from MDI as well.
That's
Yeah.
great. नोटिस करने वाली बात ये है कि ये पलक का फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था, आई थिंक,
Yeah,
राइट?
it was my first attempt.
That is amazing कि first attempt में you getting calls from so many good
Thank you, sir.
colleges and especially
Yes.
from IIMs.
Yeah.
So पलक, as you know कि यार हम यही डिस्कस करना चाह रहे हैं कि what is the journey of a CAT student like,
Yeah.
कि क्या hurdles आते हैं. तो थोड़ा सा पहले आप अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताओगे. How
All
did
right.
you land up here? As I know, पहले you were preparing for something else.
Yes, yes. Actually, my journey has been very unconventional, sir. Uh, Basically, I'm an engineer. I've done my BTech in computer science, and I graduated in 2020. After that, I was working full time with Infosys.
Okay.
I have taken a work experience of approximately 1.5 years from there. So basically, I've come from an IT background, but I switched to UPSC civil services preparation. Unfortunately, I couldn't get through the exam. So this year itself, I then planned to go for CAT after my prelims prep, and that's when I actually started. I started my preparation in August, and from August itself, I went
तो
on for
अगस्त,
preparing
हाँ,
CAT.
तो
Yeah.
अगस्त एंड 2 साल का, आई थिंक वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट माइट हैव हेल्प्ड यू कि इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड होना थोड़ा हेल्प करता है.
I feel that UPSC helped me a
ओके,
lot
ओके,
more
हाँ.
than engineering could have, because engineering can be related to the tech side, which will actually help me when I am into the MBA
ओके,
college.
ओके, फाइन.
But when I was actually preparing for UPSC, I have read and gone through a lot of books and newspaper reading on a daily basis. As a result, my vocabulary and my reading have developed to a very great extent. That's why dealing with the VARC section was quite
ओके.
easy comparative to what other students might face for the CAT examination. With respect to the DLR section, I was just practicing all the PYQs which were there. So my preparation was completely based upon the PYQs,
ओके.
the previous year papers. I have actually attempted all 10 years of paper
ओह,
from
ग्रेट.
past CAT. So that's all. Yeah.
परफेक्ट. सो इसमें मेरा एक क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपने जब अगस्त में स्टार्ट किया तो व्हाट इज द
Yes.
फर्स्ट थिंग, पहले सीधा ही पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स ही देखना स्टार्ट कर दिया?
Yeah, actually, just skimmed through the past papers first to have a
आइडिया अबाउट
general
द
idea
लेवल.
about what type of an exam
हाँ,
this
हाँ, हाँ.
is, how it goes, what all sections come through, and basically how the approach should be for this exam. So just skimmed first, then I actually started with VARC itself. I just wanted to know which is the strength,
ओके.
which section is my strength. So somewhere I was quite comfortable with the VRC section. Also with respect to DLR, I was pretty good at solving LR portion there. On DI, I had to actually, I was struggling in starting, but then I kept on practicing. And with respect to the quant, my arithmetic was fine. And it's
ओके.
also a part of CSET as well in UPSC.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
That's why I was little in practice with respect to arithmetic. But all the algebra and other sorts of portion, I actually covered it with the help
ओके.
of coaching as well. And yeah.
सो ये थोड़ा सा बेस पहले से था एंड
Yes,
यू
the
जस्ट
coaching kind of
केप्ट.
supplemented
Yeah, it
me.
supplemented that.
Yeah.
So, अब let's talk about the day of the paper.
Yeah,
ठीक है,
sure.
क्योंकि that is very important and I think more than 50% it is how you implement your strategies on
Yeah,
the day of the paper. So
right.
थोड़ा पेपर वाले दिन का बताओ कि आपने कैसे, क्या हुआ उस दिन, सेंटर कहाँ था, कैसे कैसे
Okay.
चीजें डील करी, थोड़ा सा
Okay.
वो.
So मेरा center basically RKG college में था in Ghaziabad itself.
Okay.
I come from Dadri, so I had to travel a bit. So but it was in the slot 2. So it was comparatively okay for me because I didn't have to get up at 8 o'clock in the
Okay.
morning. I was, I woke up at my normal levels, and then I went to the center. I waited for a while there, then we got the entry. I was just trying to calm myself as I usually do. I've always, I've been into these paper cycle, exam giving cycle from the last
हाँ
3-4 years. So I do have that mindset that when I'm actually attending a paper, I just said calmly, I will not prefer to talk to anybody here and there. Just sit quietly, will try to catch up with my breath,
yeah.
and then that's how I calm myself. And that's, I know that I just have to be pinpointed, focused on my exam, and that's how I proceed with it.
So I think basically
Yeah.
for any entrance exam, no,
Yeah.
for any student who wants to do well,
Yes.
they need to understand what works for them.
Exactly. Right.
What is not working from them. जैसे आपने बोला कि you don't like to look at other people है.
Yeah.
I have seen so many people जिनको ये चीज़ बल्कि अच्छी लगती है because उनको वो main exam pressure से हटा देता है.
हटा
तो
देता
it whatever works for the
Yeah.
person. तो चलो आपने एग्जाम डे का बताया.
Yes.
तो फिर अब आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क कि आपको अगर किसी को सजेशन देना है,
Yes.
स्टूडेंट जो अगले साल दे रहे होंगे,
Hmm.
व्हाट आर द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट यू कैन गैदर.
Hmm.
तो 2 या 3 टिप्स जो आप देना चाहोगे किसी स्टूडेंट को जो
Okay,
अगली बार
tip
देगा.
number one would be to read newspapers, because I think when I was reading newspaper, my habit for reading developed so much so that I was able to complete an RC within a very 4-minute range itself, and then I was able to do all the questions. So my number of attempts could be increased while attempting the VRC section. Second, with respect to DLR, practice, practice, practice. That's the only key. Go for PYQs, do as many PYQs as you can, and also attempt mocks. Mocks are something which kind of align us with the system of the paper. So it's very important to give mocks. Maybe weekly when we are in the preparation phase, and when we are nearby CAT, we can also increase the frequency of giving mocks. And with respect to quant section, I would say that there are 3 major areas I would ask you to focus upon. That is, first is arithmetic, necessary, algebra, and then geometry. These 3 portions, if you are able to cover, then most questions, at least 13-14 questions, will be able to handle in CAT paper. Rest, that will go through with extra set of practice with different subject matters in the quant section. That's it.
तो चलो बहुत सारी टिप्स आपने दी. कुछ
Yeah.
माइंडसेट रिलेटेड एक लास्ट टिप कि ये
Mindset.
माइंडसेट, क्योंकि उस दिन पेपर वाले दिन लोग घबरा भी बहुत जाते हैं.
हाँ.
एंड एज अ मेंटर आई हैव सीन काफी सारे लोग इसको नहीं टैकल कर पाते. तो एनीथिंग उस पॉइंट पे कुछ बताना चाहोगे?
Mindset, for me, what worked is that deep down I knew what my potential is. I know what I can do in future. So I just kept on telling myself that you can do better in life.
Affirmations, हाँ.
If something is not happening for you, that does not
Yeah.
mean that another thing cannot happen for you. It's just the part of life. Exams are just the way to test you for one day does not actually judge you for the whole life. So just go easy on that. Go easy on yourself. Reward yourself whenever you're doing great. And even if you're not going really well with respect to the mocks, it's okay. Just keep on giving the mocks. Don't lose hope. You can do well. Know your potential, and you'll do great in your life. That's all I have to say.
ग्रेट. फर्स्ट टाइम कैमरा के सामने आप इतने अच्छे बात कर रहे हो. वेरी गुड.
Thank you.
तो गाइस, अगर आपको कुछ और डाउट्स हो, you have any other thing you want to ask, let us know in the comment section. And soon Palak will also be coming up with certain videos where she'll share her tips specific to different sections. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank you.